That is so good. I'm sorry, I can't even help myself. I love it. Okay, wow. Anyways, that was like the best pad thai ever in my opinion. It gives me so much joy. Hey everybody, I'm Christina Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to share with you one of my favorite recipes ever, which is my fast and easy vegetarian pad thai. How many of you love pad thai? I know I do. Here's a few things to know. The ingredients. Here's the bok choy. We've got the bok choy. Also, you want some scallions, some beautiful green onion, and then of course, pad thai would not be pad thai without cilantro. Of course, if you don't like cilantro, you can leave it out, no problem. And then I have a collection of different chilies. I love hot, spicy food. So I've got jalapeno peppers, I've got some Fresno red chilies. They are hotter than like a red jalapeno. They're very good. If you want to go hot, go with it. And of course, I've got the ever-present and very popular, in some situations, habanero chili. That's gonna add a lot of heat. We've got rice noodles, bean sprouts, some peanuts for the topping. I've got, a little bit of sriracha, red chili sauce. I like to use the pad thai sauce that you can buy in the store. You can also make your own version of pad thai sauce. It is easy. I just find this super fast. If I'm in a hurry, just use the pad thai sauce from the store. There's some great brands out there. I'm using 4 eggs. You could do just egg whites if you want, or you can leave the eggs out. And then of course, a little bit of vegetable oil. So I like to start by just prepping all my vegetables. It just makes life easy. I like to do a small little cut because pad thai is a very light kind of a meal. So the green parts are gonna go in one bowl. Put the green parts here. And then the white parts are gonna go into a separate bowl. Here we go with the white. So bok choy is amazing. It's super high in vitamin C. It's got, like I said earlier, the antioxidants. Okay, so here's the white parts. The first thing I should have done, which I'm gonna do right now, is I'm gonna put the water in the pot to get the rice noodles cooked. Some people like to take rice noodles and put them in boiling water on the counter and let it soak for 30, 40 minutes. I've just never been very successful at that. If you're good at that, oh my goodness, more power to you. So I had for this recipe 14 ounces of rice noodles. I like this because my husband and I can eat it tonight and then we can eat it tomorrow for lunch. It's amazing. Some people like to make a smaller batch of rice noodles and pad thai. I'm saying if I'm gonna spend the time in the kitchen to chop and cook, I'm gonna do it for a couple of meals, okay? The water is in the pot. Okay, so we're gonna get those boiling. I'm gonna now cut up the green onion. I'm gonna separate the greens from the whites. Again, you wanna cut it on a little bit of an angle. Then it's pretty. All right, so now I'm just gonna get the whites. Not that anybody's noticing the angle on the whites because it's gonna get sauteed first thing. All right, I'm gonna add that to the whites of the bok choy, okay? Now, when dealing with peppers, I highly recommend you use gloves. You just don't wanna get the pepper oil on your hands and then get it on your face or in your eye or on your kids or your pets or whatever. Okay, so because these Fresno chilies are a little bit hotter than a jalapeno, and I don't want to stress out my husband with like overheating the whole situation in the pad thai, I'm gonna cut it like that into fours, and I'm just gonna go like that so that the bits of chili are smaller. I'm gonna give it one more rough chop. Because this is so spicy, we don't need a lot. Next, we're gonna cut up the jalapeno pepper. Clearly, you could use your mandolin if you want. See, so fast, so easy. Or you can use a chef's knife, either one. Okay, so here's the jalapeno peppers. Next, we're gonna get the cilantro prepped. Oh my goodness, I love organic cilantro. It has such a great aroma. Wow. So I'm just gonna give it a rough chop. You can put as much in as you want. It's totally up to your preference. All right, and then yes, we need to make sure we have plenty of sliced up lime, which we already cut. Next, I'm going to get the peanuts ready. So I've got about a 1/3 cup of peanuts. You could do more if you want, you could do less. You could rough chop them on your cutting board, or you can cheat and do it the fast way. I take a coffee grinder, or some people like to call it a spice grinder. Just put them in there. All right, so I'm gonna put that in my, and last but not least, I love putting the eggs in the pad thai. So at this point in my life, I'm mostly vegetarian, but I love eggs, okay? So I can't say I'm 100% vegan, but anyways, I like putting the eggs in there. So we'll just crack them and, okay. And then just give it a quick, nothing major. That's the thing about pad thai. A lot of people just put the eggs in the pan and zhuzh them around. Okay, so here we go. So now we are ready to go over to our wok. Okay, my water is boiling for my rice noodles. I'm gonna drop them in. I love these rice noodles. They are going to boil for 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them in the sink and rinse them off with cold water. So we've got the timer on for 4 minutes. Okay, so that should be good. Super important once your noodles are done to rinse them in cold water. Okay, rinse them with cold water so that they stop cooking. So now my pot is pretty hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm putting in the white parts of the green onion and the bok choy. Smells good. Thai sauce on the bottom. Now I'm gonna add my bok choy, the green parts. Now the bean sprouts are in. See how the bok choy leaves are cooking down? It's nice. The egg goes back in. Put that back in. So yummy. The chartreuse green is really what it is. Give it a little mix. We are done. I'm gonna make myself a little plate of this delicious vegetarian pad thai. This looks incredible. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more of the red chilies because I love them. Gonna put some sriracha, oh my goodness. Some cilantro, just a little bit. Some peanut. I'm gonna add a little bit more bean sprout because that just feels so pad thai-ish, if that's even a thing. And then, of course, a little bit of lime. So fast, that was so fast and easy to make. I hope that you guys make it and let me know how it comes out. Okay, here we go. I love it. Okay, wow. Anyways, that was like the best pad thai ever in my opinion. It gives me so much joy. So delicious, healthy, good for you. Don't forget the bok choy, loaded with amazing amounts of vitamin C. It's an antioxidant, it fights free radical damage. It's a cruciferous vegetable known to help reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes, heart disease. Add the bok choy, the bean sprouts, high in vitamin C. So delicious. So crispy, crunchy. Oh my goodness. Cilantro, amazing. The chili peppers, amazing. You gotta do it, you gotta try it. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.